Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today I'm in Nicosia and we're having a wander around the old town of Nicosia. It's definitely worth seeing, guys. Some amazing architecture, some amazing shops. Go down the alleyways, have a look around, look up, look round. Don't just look at the shops that are open, look at the shops that are closed. They're the more interesting ones. And I've been down the far end. We've parked up near the mosque and near the old city wall. I've been for a haircut because down there, guys, there's loads of barbers, loads of Syrian, Lebanese or Egyptian barbers, and you can get a fantastic haircut. I've had a haircut, I've had my ears waxed. I feel 20 years younger. I've asked the hairdresser or the barber for a recommendation. I want some nice Syrian food. He said you got to go to Sham Food there. He's put it in my Google Maps for me, and here it is. Looks delish. I think it's like a doner kebab type place. Let's go and have a look. I think the crew's got a seat. Ah, here she has. There we are. So you can see up there, guys, they've got lamb or chicken kebab. Yeah, and it's not like the doner kebab you'll get in some UK restaurants where you can see lots and lots of fat coming down. It's very lean over here. Sometimes they call it a gyros. There you go. You can have falafel here, of course. So I'm having the doner kebab sandwich meal, €8.80. I'm not sure what the crew's having. We'll check when she gets back. So you've ordered a halloumi sandwich meal, and I've ordered the chicken kebab meal. Right, let me show you the kebab, guys, before it arrives. There. Hello. There we are. That's chicken, is it? Yes. That's the chicken, and you can see, look, hardly any fat coming down. It's beautiful. Fantastic. And the lamb's over there. Halloumi.
Halloumi.
You got the halloumi sandwich.
Yeah. Not
the meal, but you got the chips. And I've got chicken. Chips are delicious. Oh, it's all going on here. There's mine all wrapped up. Oh, sorry. Oh, that's triple delish. It's like a wrap.
I thought I'd made a mistake when I ordered the halloumi and then saw all the meat, but this is amazing. I mean, delish.
Delish, amazingly delish. Well, a little tip, guys. If you come down here, get your hair cut and ask your barber to recommend a restaurant. Well, what do you think of that?
And I think it was Lebanese delish.
It was
which equates to quadruple delish.
Yeah. Or was it Syrian?
I don't know.
I think it's Syrian. But as I explained before, what?
I think it's Arabic delish.
Arabic delish, that will do. Syrian, Lebanese, whatever, guys. It was triple delish. Good value for money as well. There is Sham Foods, recommended by the barber, who was, I'm getting confused now. 1 minute. He was Egyptian. That's right.
Let's just show the viewers the square.
Right, I'll show you the square. Then we'll go up Ledra Street, which is that one there. Okay. Bit of a kerfuffle at the moment. Oh look, it's like Trafalgar Square. Feed the pigeons. So, Freedom Square, very cosmopolitan area. You can see this whole area here, and then you can go down the steps and down the slope to the square. Right, let's go around this way. These are really clever. They come up, stop the traffic. So come round here, guys, and I'll show you Freedom Square from this direction. Here we are. Look, all these beautiful fountains, lovely walk, goes right up to the top. And if you come down here, past Cafe Nero down there, and then you can work your way up. Look at that amazing shape. Up here, to all the flags and the square. You can go down Ledra Street, and then round the little old buildings and old shops. More pubs and restaurants down here, guys. Definitely worth a visit. Right, let's go down, see what else there is. Right, look at this. Coffee and cake, €6. Ooh, good value for money here, guys. Oh, looks very good value for money. I suppose there's lots of competition, and it is the capital, so perhaps that brings down the prices. Right, down the slope, look at these old trees. Beautiful, aren't they?
Can get the intercity bus here from Paralimni or Ayanapa.
Oh, there we are. Get the intercity bus, guys. If you've not hired a car, come down here for a few hours. Maybe if it's in the summertime, you can come down in the evening. You know, get a haircut, come down early evening, get a haircut, get something to eat, get the bus back. So there we are, there's the main shopping street. I forgot to mention shopping. I said you can come down here, have a haircut, have a nice meal, and I didn't mention shopping, did I? Oh, loads of gifts you can buy, t-shirts, you can have coffee as well, slow beers. Right, let's move on. There's clothes shops, shoe shops, more coffee shops. They do pizzas in here as well. Oh, we can get suitcases and handbags. There's lots of retail for everything. This shop's called St John. I mean, I remember a shop in the UK, something like that, St John's, sort of doing clothes and that. It was like a posh clothes shop.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. I'll possibly have one later.
Pancake day.
Oh, it's pancake day. No, I'm going to save myself for pancakes this evening. Forgot about pancakes. No, and of course, what do you put on pancakes?
Lemon.
Lemon. Oh, delish. That's Mickey Mouse. More ice cream. Oh, this is a place for me. Ah, H&M. Here we are. Definitely a European favourite. You can even buy electric scooters and electric bikes, or e-bikes, e-scooters, e-bikes, that's right. Why are they called e-bikes and e-scooters?
Electric.
Oh, it is electric.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought it was something to do with environmentally friendly or something.
Maybe.
E-bikes, okay. You sure it stands for electric?
No, not now.
No.
Said that.
Might be environmentally friendly.
No.
Yeah, and you don't want to be. That's why they call them e-bikes, or you don't want to be calling them environmentally friendly bikes, do you?
But if you're going to be environmentally friendly, don't have the ones with the batteries. Pedal yourself.
Oh, now you're being silly.
I'm not.
No, it's instead of a motor scooter, which uses petrol. Got it?
No, they're just...
No.
just
No.
easier.
Take no notice. They've got 70% off that shop over there. So if you come out of season, guys, and it's a little bit cloudy, you can come out exploring. You come down here at Nicosia. Where did we start off? Haircut, food, and the sales are on. Brilliant. And if it's nice and sunny in the morning, you can stay by the beach.
The E in
Yes.
e-bike stands for electric.
Oh, not environmentally friendly. Okay, I'll give you that one. But they are, I think they're environmentally friendly anyway. Anyway, carry on. There's some of the side streets you can go down. They all kind of lead in the same sort of direction anyway if you get lost.
I like the dog.
Jungle pieces, sorry.
I like the dog.
Like the dog.
Yeah.
It's all different colours.
I like it. Snazzy.
Anyway, let's move on. See, look at that. Look at the architecture. See that building there? That's just the front. It's just the front. The rest of it's gone. You see through the shutters, there's nothing there. Oh wow. Loads of ice cream. Look at that.
It must have about 100 flavours.
Wow. Loads of flavours of ice cream.
This has been recommended as well.
And
There's a garden through there.
oh yeah.
Next time.
Oh, next time. Next time. The Gorzo Bar. Ice cream, coffee. Now if you are lucky enough to visit this area, guys, bring your passport with you if you like, and there's a crossing point just over there. All you got to do is present your passport, of course your ID, but make sure you're back by 10 o'clock because the crossing point does close at 10 o'clock in the evening. So if you're going across, guys, 10 o'clock your deadline.
That's only this one. All the others are 24 hours.
Yeah, I was just going to come to that. It's a very good point. Now, it is only this crossing point that is open up to 10 o'clock in the evening, and it is only this crossing point that you can only walk across. The other crossing points you can drive across. And I've got a little solution. If you do go over there, guys, and the crossing point is closed when you get back, you've had a few slow beers and you don't know what time it is, and you're stuck over there, you can get a taxi to the other crossing points. So there we are, guys. Definitely worth going over. Bring your passport or ID with you. No charge to get across. Just queue up and go. There we are. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little stroll, lunch.
So it's 6 till 10.
So there we are. Opens at 6 in the morning, finishes at 10 at night. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.